Okay, so we are going to unbox the Mooncool. What is a Mooncool? It's a 3-wheeled electric bicycle, pedal electric bicycle. Now, everybody on the internet has been crying and whining about the difficulty of this this Mooncool. Okay, so first we're going to unbox it. Okay. There's the straps. Now, I've seen people using a table for this. And I don't have a table this big, but I'm going to try and cob one. Okay, so that's probably going to be the hardest thing you do is unwrap the thing. We got staples here and I don't want them on the floor because I don't want flat tires. Now, I have to tell you, I'm not exactly your backyard moron. I used to be a Harley mechanic. So let's see how difficult this is going to be to put together. Ooh, wow, look at that. You see right off the bat, here's the seat. There's the bottom half of it. Again, staples. I don't want them in my tires. So, we have a seat. We have this is obviously goes to the back of your seat to hold it on the back of your seat rail. It goes right there with that. Okay? Now, this is not for me. I did not buy this. Looks like a box of hardware here. And this is a box of something, I don't know what. Let's just look and see. There should be a battery and there should be a charger. Okay, so this is your battery. And it came inside the package. So there's your battery. I'm going to assume this is going to be hardware and it's going to be maybe a charger in here. This is not my bike, like I said. This is my wife's. She bought this. Headlight. Looks like a handlebar post. There's a thing to hold your cooler. There's your derailleur, your chain. Ooh, wow, holy crap. Look at this. Wow, you're kidding me. Hey, knock it off. It came with a whole... Knock it off. I'm talking over here. Hey, Chintz. Chintz and Chintzy. Chintzy and Chintzy are stirring up the pot. Okay, it came with a whole set of wrenches. That's kind of cool. Oh, reflectors for the spokes, tie wraps. Holy crap, you're kidding me. They even send you a whole set of Allen wrenches. You're kidding me. Hey, will you cut the crap? Get over here. Look at this. Oh, I'm really jealous now. A set of Allen wrenches. Okay. Set of pedals. I'm gonna guess this is probably the charger for the battery. Yes, this is your charger for your battery. Okay? So, this is, I will say this much. This is quite a complete kit. I must say. Now, this is Mooncool. Bunch of pictures. We got the TK1, and it's the fat tire. Hopefully I'm in the picture here. Okay. So this is the instruction book. We may not use it. I don't usually follow instructions very well. But we're going to put this stuff back in here. Stuff we don't need right this minute. So that way there we don't lose anything. We got the chain, we got the derailleur, headlight, the water bottle attachment. This is your handlebar post. I'm assuming this is a handlebar post or it's a seat post. It's one or the other. I mean, what else would it be, you know?